Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Hi, bro. I know it's another year and another milestone to mark your birthday. Cut. Putang ina.
Blue.
Siguro wala lang. Naisip ko lang ng blue.
Favorite food? Ay, alam ko ba?
Favorite food. I think he just turned very health conscious. So I would say that his favorite food now is shall we say oatmeal? No. No, it's what do you call this? The breakfast. Yeah. I think that's his favorite food. Anything healthy.
Anything healthy.
And he's always going healthy.
Next. Most memorable place?
Maybe New York City.
Because?
Well, because we weren't able to see the Statue of Liberty, but we saw the whole city as if we've been there for a week, but they didn't know that it's only a day.
Musta naman? Anong favorite color ni Kuya?
Well, as far as his favorite color, marami. I think it's pink. I don't know what's his favorite color. Hello, bro. It's nice to be here in a setting like this and a nice occasion to greet you on your birthday. I know you're doing fine there and continue doing whatever you've been doing in the past year, and I know you will be successful. So continue to stay healthy, take care of your health, and remember always that we're always here for you. Alam mo nga yung sabi ko sa'yo, yung boss Joseph, boss Josh. That means bawat oras sama-sama. Anyway, here's a nice birthday greeting, and may you have more birthdays to come. Thank you. Take 3.